Ansible ad hoc commands are the quick and dirty way to manage multiple systems simultaneously with one-liner commands. In this short video, I'm going to provide you with 3 examples of ad hoc commands using the ping, shell, and command modules. Before we begin, here's a pre-req note. These examples assume you already have installed Ansible on your control machine, you have defined an inventory file, and that you have established SSH authentication keys between your control machine and your host. If you haven't met any of the prereqs above, check out the video links in the description to fulfill those first. If the video links haven't been provided, hang in there as I may still be working on uploading those tutorials. The first example will be a simple ping command. -M here indicates the module you'll be using, in this case, ping. -I indicates the inventory file name you'd like to use, in this case, the name of the inventory file is inventory. All indicates that I want to use a group called all with my inventory file or within my inventory file. In that group, I have defined all the systems I'd like to target. -O indicates a more condensed output of the command you run. This makes the output a little bit cleaner or easier to actually read. -U indicates the user you'll be logging in as, in this case, Ubuntu. And here is our output. In the second example, we'll be using the command module. Here we are using the command module with arguments, and that's what the -A indicates. Since the command module here is taking more than one argument, in this case ls and /temp, you need to add them in quotes. If it were a single argument such as ls, you could simply leave it without quotes. And here's our output. In the third and final example, we'll use this shell module, which is a good option when piping commands or redirecting output. -A here is passing a handful of arguments, including some conditional logic and pipes. For example, && is a logical condition that executes the next command if the one prior completed successfully. Then we want to run a listing in the temp directory for a file that contains the characters empty within its name. Here's a side note. Ad hoc executions are typically one-time swings, hence the name. However, it is important to remember that neither the command or shell modules are idempotent, meaning that if you run it within a playbook, it's always executing regardless if a change is required or not. If you found this video helpful in any way, please remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications of future videos from this channel. Thanks for watching.